morning all. I welcome you to this lecture series video. In this video we are going to discuss about patient monitoring system in design thinking approach. So I have few of my third year biomedical engineering students along with me for this particular explanation. So we here have an RMS patient monitoring system which we will be operating in demo model, and we have 5 parameters which can be observed 24/7 with this patient monitoring system, which is available in critical care unit of every hospital. So first, the first process will be explained by Dharnidharan of 3rd BME. Yes.
So hi all. So I would like to start this by saying, as Sir said, for every patient, the main thing in the hospitals, the first thing will be fixed is patient monitor. Since we have to look into 5 parameters, this is a device which combines 5 major things. The first one is ECG, the second one is NIBP, third one is SpO2, and temperature and respiration. Okay. So ECG, you all know ECG is connected with heart. To know about the ECG and to go with the settings, we first open the demo model where we can get to see the ECG waveforms. So we are going with the demo model. So here in the menu, we have plenty of options, we can see that, right? In that, we have demo model here. So we are going with it. So demo model is nothing but we have already set the values for every 5 parameters, which are all in the normal level. For ECG, 80 BPM is a normal level. For NIBP, 120/80 is the normal level. And for SpO2, which is saturation, 98 is the normal level, and for temperature it is 37 and 36, and for respiration it is 20. So we can see the ECG and all the waveforms are moving here. Okay, look at this. So as we know that this is running in PQ or ST form. So we will just look into what alterations that we can make into each thing. So the first one we are coming up with is alarm. So when the level is like high or the heart rate is, if it is high, we set a certain frequency. Okay, if it is 120, the alarm will start. If the frequency is low, below than 50, still it is a danger. So we are going with the alarm. So here we have heart rate form, ECG call, and we have peak sounds, lead type, sweep, notch, wave color, and etc. So this is the basic example for ECG. And next one we are moving to the NIBP. NIBP is nothing but non-invasive blood pressure.
We have certain numbers. So I would like to know what is the normal BP rate per month. 20/80. So systolic and diastolic. So that is what you are seeing here, right? So we are setting a value of 120/80. This is a normal range. So if you want to discuss or if you want to set an alarm for this patient monitoring system, when it has to indicate the high level or low level, you could see that it is highlighted in yellow color. So when it goes beyond 160 and when it go below 90, we have set the alarm. So it will automatically indicate an alarm, and it will make the nursing staff who is available very nearby to alert that the patient is having a high level of BP or a low BP, which is called as an hypertension or low BP level. So it is very dangerous. So it is important to monitor it 24/7. So next one is, what is SpO2?
Saturated.
Yes, it is a blood oxygen saturation level. So it is also an important parameter in critical care unit to be monitored. So could you further explain about what is SpO2 and what is the normal range, etc.?
Yes, sir. So if we come to the SpO2, we have the same options as we saw before. The alarm is there, and we have the SpO2 high level and low level and PR high. Okay. So here we have the high level. Like if it goes beyond 100, it is danger, and if it goes below 90, it is still danger. So we set the marks as 190 for high and low. If the mark is above that, the alarm will start ringing. After that, we have sweep. And even we can change the color of the wave here. We have in the crayon color, we can change it to like yellow or some other colors. Here.
So now I go on to the wave color pattern. So if I click the color, it will start highlighter, and I can able to rotate this knob, and I can able to change into blue color or pink color. So now we fix pink color as the color of this particular SpO2 waveform. Now if I click OK, now we can see that it has been changed. So with respect to the color also, we can able to identify what kind of parameter or what kind of physiological signal we are monitoring in this. So with respect to the color, we also have a change in the number. So the number color and the waveform color both will be identical. So next we have one other important parameter called temperature. So So that is also the same. Here we have, we can able to see that what is the highest value and what is the lowest value fixed in this particular monitor. So next to the parameter, we can able to see the high and low level, what has been fixed for the alarm indication. So this is how in hospitals we have a patient monitoring system will be calibrated and tested before it is being getting attached to the patient. I hope you have understood the importance of this patient monitoring system through the decisioning approach. Thank you all for joining this class.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.